Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact machine model, paper size, and ribbon installed so prints align properly. Plug in power and connect either Ethernet or USB. Make sure the machine shows network link. Log into the admin account to check firmware and storage, because outdated firmware or low storage will interrupt jobs. Once done, load a test passbook sheet into the feed tray and set the paper guides. This ensures accurate alignment before you send any real records to print. You now configure the print job inside the Swayam client by selecting the correct passbook template and orientation, because templates control margins and margins control legibility. Adjust print density and feed direction to match the paper and ribbon. A high density can smudge on thin paper. Preview every page, then cue the batch specifying record range and print count. Once done, enable confirmation mode, so each passbook requires your approval before final cutting. You begin printing, but immediately verify the first 2 passbooks both on-screen and physically, because early checks catch alignment, ink, or data issues before many copies are wasted. After satisfied, apply trim or cut settings and inspect edge registration and fold lines to ensure consistent finishes. If you encounter streaks, misfeeds, or missing data, clean the print heads, recalibrate paper sensors, and run a single sheet test. Once done, resume the batch and monitor every 10 copies to confirm continued consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.